Tip spot odds. Day in the white.
Big right hand from
right
Day.
hand that connects Yusuf in the red corner. Off we go. Oh, swinging for the body now, Day. Good tactic that, right?
Yeah, definitely, because Shoaib's hands came high after he landed that shot. Great kick, nice speed. Beautiful takedown attempt here, though, from Day. Good hips. Gets that whizzer.
Yep.
So strong with that whizzer, though, is Shoaib.
This is the best shape we've seen him in, but Day has certainly not taken this lightly, this fight.
Beautiful takedown defense there. Great work from those chained attacks from Day. Just great work to stay, and then Shoaib gets the reversal at the end of it. I'm surprised at the striking, though. Day landing heavy, and Shoaib kind of shook him a little bit on the feet there.
Referee calling for a little bit more action here. Oh, again, those knees. He keeps hitting the same spot, just under the ribcage, right on that liver, that vital organ.
Yeah, but Day piling on the pressure now himself, looking for this takedown. Gives up, makes a mistake there. Underhook obtained now by Shoaib. Double underhooks, trying to look for a knee position now. Oh. There it is, big knee up the middle, that one. Set that up very, very well.
Timed it perfectly. Come on, Day, relentless with this pressure, though.
Yeah, great start to the round for Comende as we move in to the minute-and-a-half mark. Gets the reversal, though, does Shoaib.
Once again, the voice of the Assassin Army can be heard ringing through here, the AO Arena in Manchester.
I'd definitely like to see a few more elbows from Shoaib. He's got the positions, and we know he's
there.
There
you go. He opened it up there, right across that right cheekbone. Oh, and the knee.
Beautiful knee there.
Lifted
that one hurt. That
Lifted him off the ground. Here he comes again. Look at that plum clinch.
Again. Goes to the head. Very dangerous stuff here now. Managing to keep that left underhook very, very high as well. That takes away that whizzer. That whizzer's loose. It's useless as it is. If Shoaib wanted to, he could stick to the back. Switches it up, though.
He's having a lot of success here, though, Luke.
Yeah, right in front. Controlling, pushing him up against the fence, waiting for his moments, then throwing big knees.
Oh,
nice elbow and knee again.
Short shots, slicing shots. Come on, Day, feeling the pressure here in round two, and now down on the mat.
Good outside leg root there, converts to a takedown, and Shoaib moves. Hips now square.
Oh, these are the elbows.
Now starting to open up on the ground and pound because he's got good position in his hips. Look where his knees are. He's really pinned down those legs. He's trying to switch what I used to call a blanket guard. I don't know the actual term for it, but has control of both feet here and can switch now. Maybe can pass to the full mount or can even pass the side control on the left side.
But it's been all control, right? All control in round number two. Weathered that little attack from the start of the round. But once up against the cage, the knees, the elbows, and now looking to try and pass as well.
Good work there from Comende, though, to regain the guard because he was in a dominated position. Switches him round, does Shoaib. Now has him up against the fence, and you can see why. Day is very, very tough to finish. He never gives in. Every position, he's always fighting for every inch and every moment. A real fighter is Comende. He really has a fighter's spirit and a fighter's heart. Trying to get that foot on the hip now is Day.
1 minute 25 seconds.
Great dominance, though, from Shoaib. Like you said, early rally from Day, was really pushing it, and a big elbow comes through the middle there. Was really pushing himself and trying to change the fight, how this was going, but then Shoaib just rose to that, avoided those takedowns beautifully well to pin him up against the fence. And then when he threw that elbow-knee combination, it kind of felt like it all changed for him.
Comende looks content just to try and wrap him up here. Luke, close guard, just trying to hold and control that posture.
Yeah, I think he's struggling to get up, and I think he's struggling to get a foot on the hip. And the leverage that Yusuf has because of the length of his torso makes him very dangerous here on top. He needs to be careful of that arm bar.
Yeah, Comende trying to work that guard higher up the body.
Yeah, but doesn't have a very active guard. It's just closed it up. Like you said, it almost seems happy to be here underneath. 20 seconds to go. A tough second round for Comende.
Yeah, real pressure from the young man, Yusuf. Oh, and again, pulls out those big shots. Comende's done well to avoid major damage, though, Luke, even up against the cage and particularly on the ground against Shoaib.